Hello everyone, I am Advocate Akhil Solanki, associate with Dialezee. So in this video we're going to discuss about jurisdiction of civil courts. So in the modern days, in almost every legal system, the civil disputes are resolved by the courts of civil jurisdiction. As a rule, the civil courts can take cognizance of every controversy of civil nature as the court of ultimate jurisdiction, but there are some recognized exceptions to this general rule which is to be discussed through this work. So Section 9 of the Code of Civil Procedure Code confers jurisdiction over the civil courts to adjudicate upon all suits of civil nature except such suits the cognizance of which either expressly or impliedly barred. In other words, whenever the object of the proceedings is the enforcement of civil rights, a civil court would have jurisdiction to entertain the suit unless the cognizance of the same is barred through legislative instrument. So the legislature, both federal and provincial, has placed bar on the exercise of jurisdiction of the civil courts through number of acts, ordinances and other legislative instruments. For example, Section 172 of the West Pakistan Land Revenue Act 1961 has placed embargo over the power of civil court to adjudicate upon any matter in the powers of adjudication has been given to the revenue authorities, and same is the case of Section 36 of Colonization of Government Lands Punjab Act 1912. Almost all special tribunals has been given exclusive jurisdiction by the legislature to decide the matter fall within their domain. As a rule, their decisions, actions are immune from security by the civil courts, but there are certain exceptions to this general rule. Thank you. See you next video with some more information.